There, what kind of eggs are those?
There are Hatchimals eggs.
Hatchimals.
But they're fake.
They're fake.
That's okay. It's like a real one. Let's go open it.
What did you get?
Koala.
Show it.
Say.
Ooh, it's a koala.
But it's fake.
No.
It's like this. But we
How
got.
about you?
We got. I got the koala.
Minnie Mouse. You got a koala. How about you, Ate? What did you get? Okay, open it. Ooh. What did you get? Ooh, is that a penguin?
Yeah.
Or is a bird?
This is a bird.
Okay. So why do you have your eggs?
Because
Because
overnight.
what did you do this morning and this afternoon, Ash? You had your virtual assessment. Okay,
I got
and
a golden star.
yeah,
Me too.
yeah, you both got golden stars. So you got, for your golden stars, you got surprise eggs. Okay.
It's like a toy. That is a toy.
Ooh. Whoa, is that a dolphin or is that a dolphin or a whale? I think it's a whale. How about you, Ate? What did you get? What's the other one?
It's mine now. We got the bunny.
What?
A bunny.
I got a bunny. Okay. Say goodbye to your friends. Now.
Wait.
Keep doing good in school. Okay.
And your mom's gonna give you a surprise.
Like and
Wait. Like and subscribe. It's like the same color.
yeah, they have the same color.
I have same color too. And me. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye. Press that big bell. And you don't press it, you're gonna be fired.
Fired from what?